This is Timber Ridge Log Home. We are Nebraska's largest log and timber framing construction company. We specialize in the construction of timber framing, log home restorations, repairs, and more. Everything we build is handcrafted and milled at our very own sawmill. By collaborating with you, your contractors, and builders to develop your home or project, we work with your vision in mind, helping you frame out your dream home or special project. The owner, Zach Whittakin, has spent time in Canada studying the intricacies of log home building by famed log home builder Pat Wolf. Here at Timber Ridge Log Homes, regardless of size, our talent uses the mortise and tenon technique to ensure your project is built to last. This technique has been used for hundreds of years and is designed for security and stability that will last a lifetime. Beyond custom log and timber construction, Timber Ridge Log Homes offers several additional services, such as log home inspections and restorations, log home remodels, the complete building of timber barns, trusses, or other structures, wooden slabs, mantles, bar tops, live edge woods, and so much more. We guarantee outstanding results and unmatched detail work. We work diligently to keep costs low as possible without sacrificing and diminishing the promised quality of work. Let Timber Ridge help you design and build your dream project.